In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Clipper card on bus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Clipper card to board any sort of public transit, including buses, is extremely simple. All that you have to do is first make sure that the card is loaded up with balance. You can do this physically or online, and I'm going to talk about the process of loading your card with balance online later in this video, so stick around if you want to find out. All that you have to do to actually use your Clipper card on a bus is, after you make sure that it has enough balance, once you board the bus you will find the machine or the card reader, where all you have to do is physically place your card on the card reader. Immediately upon placing the card on the card reader, the balance is going to be used and you are ready to board. It is going to flash a light and tell you that you are okay as long as you have enough balance. Of course, you can carry around a physical card if that is what you prefer, and as you saw, the process is extremely simple. Anywhere that you see the Clipper card reader, you will be able to pay your bus fare. Alternatively, if you want to use your phone to make payments, as long as your phone has NFC capabilities, you can link the Clipper card to a digital wallet, for example the Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet, and you can still use it to pay your bus fare. Of course, this is completely optional, but I highly recommend that you do this. That way you don't have to carry around your physical Clipper card. You can start this process by opening the digital wallet of your choice, tapping the plus sign, and then choosing the option to add a transit card. You will find Clipper under the United States region, and you can input balance into a digital Clipper card that you can use to pay for the bus fare. Simply place your phone near the Clipper card reader instead of the physical card, and just like the other method with the physical card, the balance is going to be used and you are ready to board. You will also have the option to add money to the card online after you add it to a digital wallet by tapping on the card and selecting Add Money like I said in the beginning of the video. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Clipper card on a bus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.